Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host MA Joya and you are watching my channel Joytech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can restore your Snapchat data. Maybe you have the situation that you might lose your Snapchat data somehow and you don't know how to recover it. So don't worry, I have a method that will brings your data, mostly data recovered from your Snapchat. So don't waste your further time. Let's start today's topic. First of all, open your Snapchat account. Now tap at your Bitmoji. Now tap at settings. Now scroll it down. Find privacy. And at the end, you can see the option My Data. Tap at My Data. Here you can see the instructions. Read it carefully and scroll it down. Now you can see the data available in apps and the data available for downloads. See that it's almost your data loss that will be recovered from this. Now submit a request. Tap at submit request. Now your request has been gone and they will check your request and maybe soon after or later they will be replied to you and your data will be replaced automatically. I hope you get this. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share this to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.